Welcome to Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. The only democracy when they on top of television, as see the hot, don't come again. Una know say from 10 to 11 every day don't turn to Christmas. Sake of say all the topic where they come on smoke inside the Nigerian political boxing ring. With the carry am come drop for down. Allow you to chook mouth for inside the matter so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chokwote. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as take concern politic matter. As in the heart.
Good morning, wonderful viewers. Welcome to today's edition. Today will be Wednesday's edition of them As in the Heart. As usual, I will know they give now something where they can, where they cold. Now something where they very seasonal, where they hot. And today will not go different. And we will also open our phone line for now to also chook mouth. And the story will be the way we look into today. Now still a continuation of Oga Saraki and the code of conduct bureau matter we take place yesterday. So one just look into that, know waiting play out and how we take move forward from that. My name never still change. My name now Unkubi and this now As in the Heart.
On top of the package today, we go look at Saraki versus CCB, fighting corruption or fighting demand. Some people don't look this matter, can reason say, It be like say this one when all of us they talk say make him go answer in mama name. Say if no be say in disobey the leadership of the party. When they talk say make him no be Senate president. And when they talk say make him put some people as the principal officers of the house. Say therefore no go dig out this case. Other people they talk say whether na man hunt, whether na witch hunt, whether na talent hunt. Say so long as he don't commit offense, make him go answer in mama name. And what happened for court yesterday? Now something when we say students of history and analytical jurisprudence they go use as point of reference when they talk about other things as it take concern court case for inside Obodo Nigeria, because the number 3 man for the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Oga Senate President, head of the legislature, he sit down inside dock. That box where carpenter them they do to answer questions. They talk say when Oga Saraki come the court by after 10, say he come with some of his supporters them. Former governor of Sokoto State, Aliu Wamako, follow and go. Some senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, they leave everything when they do, they follow and go. They say plenty of them chop Vita Cola to clear their throat. Say as he enter inside court, they begin to shout hey, they shout hey, they shout hey. Say when the lawyers they begin to drop all their points, just like Chelsea fans will like to they make noise. His supporters begin to do hey, who, until the judge tell them, say, may they respect themselves and behave themselves. Long and short, after the judge look all the case, they read all the charges for them, and it say not guilty. They come talk say October 21. Now him making go, come back to come continue the case. But the question I won't get to ask to them, I say, this fight, when then they fight, now against corruption, I mean against the man, Bukola Saraki. Unkubi, you are the one that will answer this question because it is your purview. I don't speak English.
Oh God, help me.
Not be matter of God help you. Talk what Nigerians want here. Yeah. Because if we are fighting corruption, let us fight corruption. Let us not single out people because we are fighting corruption. Thank you.
So which angle you they bring up?
I don't know where the angle they bring up from. I just ask you now, make you answer the question. Are we fighting corruption or we are fighting the man, Bukola Saraki? That's the question.
They went from 2 angles, should be no.
Wear your own from the angle when you want wear. I don't wear my own from my angle. And Nigerians go call to Chukma for inside this matter.
Anyway, from our own angle, Chukudi, I go see stand at the fact, say, look, from a distance, we feel say, okay, now corruption with the fight. But when we come, if you come bring them closer, come take now recommended glass, that is a very special glass, check them out well. Somehow, you go see say maybe now, monkey hand issue. I don't take my stand.
Monkey hand issue. You don't take your stand. This one when your stand of monkey. This one when you are standing on monkey hand for the first time this month. Then it means say something good go happen for on top of acid hot. No, you don't talk. You don't forget what you talk. Oh, you don't talk. But I mean, I just dey happy say as you stand. It's very possible because every on this show you go talk one thing, can't change and say no, wait till you talk with that.
Me,
Unkubi, let us be very very clear. This government, when we say Nigerians use their vote, put for power, talk say if they check the history of Nigeria, corruption and bad leadership mismanagement, financial recklessness, and misrule. Now, one of the problems won't be say it don't put us for what we dey today, and the government come to say they swear to the heavens, say they go pursue corruption come out for this country. Now, let us fight corruption. If we dey fight corruption, make we fight corruption. Just like wetin Professor Nwokobi talk yesterday, make we start to dey sweep from one corner of the room. But if we come begin dey check some things wey be say don dey involved, e go come be like say this one na because of say e disobey. Because if you no disobey, me I dey very very sure say this case, if e be say e don lost as e lost that time, if e be say na the loss na e go lost, all of a sudden lost but found. Is it because it's Saraki or is it because we are fighting corruption? That's the question you have to answer and tell Nigerians the truth and nothing but the truth.
I don't take my stand.
Which stand you take? Tell Nigerians the truth. Why you come Mukubi? You see, anytime when topic they affect you, they always, now that day, I don't notice them, now that day you always they wear suit. Now that day you know they wear cap. Come on top of show, they form pastor. See you now, they bring your voice down. They talk cool, say, what I know. You are a pretender. Talk the truth, make the full Nigeria hear you. You don't go escape am today. If you think you are going to escape it, I will not allow you. You must talk this talk today. You must talk this talk today. Why it be say senators when we say they talk say so and they be friends with Saraki, they see them for court yesterday. They know they greet them, make them join the Southwest Caucus. Alashu Adura, it happened to run. They don't stop and say make him no join the Southwest Caucus. Why? Because they thought say him and Saraki, it be like say they be friends. Talk am, make Nigerians hear you. Talk am. Are we fighting corruption or we are fighting Saraki? Talk am, make Nigerians hear you. Talk am.
You know hear wetin I tell you for.
Wetin you talk?
I say from a distance, until the level say the president wey we get won't really fight corruption. But on a second thought, if we can look and closer, somehow, I never feel even say that somehow dey strong, but somehow, just be like say monkey hand dey there.
So wetin you don decide now na say the leadership of the APC na dem carry Saraki now put for inside this case because he disobey them. Speak from one side of your mouth. No dey tell me say somehow I never look am. I dey look am. Talk. You are a man who could be talk. No dey fear. Talk. No dey fear. Talk. No dey fear. Talk your mind. Make
Chukudi, don't. See, Chukudi, the issue is this. See, in as much as before now, make we even look at from this angle. Before now, the past presidents, the past leaderships were there in place. They no say all these things they in place. They no say okay, one particular this way you submit way before you enter governorship. The list of improperty, everything you submit before you say. They no say come out be there before. Okay, right about now, a new government don't come into place. We'll say, okay, even before all this matter even start, we'll bear in mind, say, this government don't talk, say they won't fight corruption. Should we know that one? Mm-hmm. That's why I talk, say, okay, if it be say sincerely, it's not that corruption, then they fight, starting with the Senate president. Mm-hmm. But then, of course, they talk, say, somehow, make no be say, until say the level, say, Senate president somehow break some certain, that is their intra-party rule. Mm-hmm. For that reason, they call say, it say it's smart, and for that reason, make you know as we go take gun you down or hunt you down, come out from this seat. So now the angle me they see I'm from. No, just make me the double talk. I know they in the mood.
Okay, who could be so? What will they try?
Why? No. Why they ask me question? I deserve your guest.
From what you don't talk.
I deserve your guest. They ask me say. They ask me question.
I want to bring it from what you don't talk. From what you they talk now, you they try talk say. This government wey don promise us say go fight corruption, but na only people wey be say e consider, that is the government consider say e dey corrupt, na im e go fight. Based on wetin you don talk,
the government is still very fresh.
Because you carry your talk go back to other previous government.
The government is still very fresh. After all, the last government we even know about, not for any reason, for once even say the fight anything will be corrupt.
Thank you very much.
I think we don't see some moves from this present government. More accept say, okay, now that move still the trend right now. Now that move bring out the issue of Oga Saraki onto this state. So what do you talk about?
Thank you very much. Now, this present government now, APC-led government, get members wey come up from one particular political party wey be say all of us talk say dem.
Na collection of different political parties make up APC.
Thank you. But the major ones wey come out from PDP, go APC. When APC come use get, don't even look at me suspect. Don't look at me funny. Because for a governor, when they want political party, they preside over state to come out, go join opposition political party. Something don't come out for the body of that party when it come out from. Now, you don't look, say, okay, this party, oh, they don't do anything, oh, they corrupt, oh, they do this, they do that. All of a sudden, these people when come up from this particular political party, don't come your party. Have they become saints? What have we heard? Is any investigation underway? As it take the very, very sharp. When we say Bukola Saraki fine, they just find out, Pia, bring them out, Pia, go court, Pia, make them find other people own.
No, tell me that one. Why they hit it before me now?
Now, reflex action. Make them find what I give you. Oga Kunle from Kaduna.
Why they hit it before me?
Good morning,
Oga Kunle, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Good morning, Mr. Kobe.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
How are you?
I beg Chukma, will hear you?
The issue is this issue, you go know say monkey hand dey inside the soup. It's very clear. Understand? It's very, very clear. Understand? The issue is that if you continue like this, you are going nowhere. Let's call a spade a spade. Understand now? If this thing truly, if this man have committed this offense, understand, what do they supposed to do? If someone submits maybe a fake declaration of assent, you call the person, come, this thing we see some mistake there, come and defend it first, before you even say they should go and order arrest or this or that. Understand now? If you defend it, understand now, maybe he's unable to verify himself, by then you can say, okay, let's take him to tribunal, understand now, and defend himself. And again, you know, this politics, yeah? Understand now? This politics, and you know, in politics, you should be expecting all these type of things, understand now? But the issue is that we should play politics of principle and ideology, understand now? Not to be hurt, chanting ourselves, understand now, with this or that. We need progress, we need improvement, understand now? We need development, not all these things. For past few months now, they have been on this issue, one issue to
one
other.
One issue or the other, yes.
I understand. In fact, it's the right time to stop all these things and focus on the necessary things.
Oga Kunle, thank you very much for that contribution. Oga Kunle, they talk, say, look, the era of, say, now they bring in one or two distractions, make we come on, make we even put that one behind us, because nobody waiting we even say we're electing now for in the first place. We get Oga Igwe. Igwe, they call us from Ekiti. Good morning, Igwe.
Yeah, Uncle B, good morning.
Yeah.
Chukudi, good morning.
I salute you, Oga Igwe.
See, my own is this. Whether a monkey hand is there or not, just like one of the callers said on Monday, if somebody commits offense against government, even if it's 20 years, 100 years, you should come and answer the query.
Okay.
And most people are saying that does it mean that the CCB didn't know that he submitted the wrong document. The government there before, he was a member of that government, and they will not try him. But remember when they saw in the government, our president, he said he belonged to everybody and belonged to nobody.
Okay.
And also that even if his party member commit offense, he will try him. So it's the same thing that is going on now. If he commits the offense, he should go answer the case, just like the president said. That's my own submission.
Thank you very much, Oga Igwe.
Thank you very, very much.
Chukudi, I still want to ask this question. Maybe we'll look at from this angle. If to say, because this question, now question will say, I never still get answer for. I see if I will go provide the answer for this one. But before I go ask you that question, we'll collect this call from Olaiwola. Olaiwola, they call us from Port Harcourt. Good morning, Olaiwola.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hey.
Olaiwola, I beg, just try to call us back. Make
So-
you chook mouth for inside this matter.
So what now I try to be say, if to say, Oga Saraki, say you obey party rule, can't do all those things where the talks make you do. Share this thing for happen.
Very, very true. Make we take this quick one. He get one statement when we say he signed yesterday. Personal signing when he signed the statement. He be talk say, he believe say the only reason why him they go through wetin they go through now because him be Senate president.
Yes.
He come talk say if to say him just be ordinary floor member senator.
Exactly.
Say nobody go there interested in asset when he declare over 12 years ago. This one will come bring us to the fact say make we look Nigeria. make we check institutions wey dey place, make we check wetin be their work.
Yes.
Shey na until government draw the ear of institutions before dem do wetin dem suppose do? Because in truth, if now we dey talk say okay this man submit something 12 years ago and we don see fault inside wetin he submit, when him bin submit am, when we see the fault, wetin we do? Na why President Barack Obama and so many other countries of the world dey call on Nigeria say make we get strong institutions, no be until somebody go come from heaven come become our president before Nigeria go better. If people wey suppose do their work well, we no go get any fear.
And that major thing we also need to look, say okay fine, it might probably be a two-way thing. So okay, I say sincerely, say they won't start on top from your head. Maybe from there follow up. They check other people and then their past crimes and all that. But then, if at the end of this whole drama, we can't see say this particular matter, we can't see say yes, it don't close, they don't bring them to a close, we don't see what happen. What thing go happen afterwards? China that same ginger. Where this thing take conduct of code of conduct bureau. Shouldn't that same action where they carry out this work? Now that same action they carry out other works or check out other people where they involved for one crime or the other, one corruption crime or the other. That's another question we need to ask. But before that, we will also collect this call from Bobby. Oga Bobby all the way from Amsterdam. Good morning.
Good morning, Shukudi.
Good morning,
Oga Bobby.
Good morning, Ukubi.
Good morning.
Get one thing when we say I want Mona to remember, or try to remember. Now, I know what happened about last month or last 2 months for America when Hillary Clinton get to answer some query over text message.
Okay.
On a year of
Very true. The emails.
Yes.
Yeah, Abi. So to tell you, say nobody is above the law. So we Nigeria will get to know that one. Say Nigeria they come to change. When we say forget that we say monkey hand they inside, even like the cow leg they inside self, it doesn't matter. The law is the law. You broke the law, you get to face the consequences of the law. That's why they call it law. You understand me now? You not go do something where we say you know say it did wrong and you did into government. So because they pass government, they check, they do a shop. So you just say, okay, new government come because they query everybody. Now everybody they talk say, oh, me Buhari start with the party members, me start with this. Okay, don't start with party members now, monkey hand the inside. What do Nigeria wants? Waiting. The person now is guilty for waiting anyway, they find guilty by the court. But according to the cases where they get against her now, if they show say yes, he's a guilty man. That's why not appear for court the first time. And see now, he carry 50 senators follow body. Other than just those system of PDP, whether they do those days, now he do so. He carry 50 senators follow body. They sit down for them now. They you know, so to do what to influence the judge.
Oga Bobby.
You know.
In fact, I don't see the angle where you bring them from, and but still they locked up to the program, yeah. But right about now, make we quickly do it. Make we quickly enter market. Will they come?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.